Hi, I'm Rachel on the identity team, and today we are going to be talking about improvements to the assistant role. So the first change that we've made is we have built out the ability to add capabilities for assistants. So in this case, I'm going to assign Meredith an assistant. I'm going to set Angela as Meredith's assistant. And you can see here by default, Angela will have all the capabilities, and we expect that to be the most common use case. But you can also go ahead here and edit specific capabilities for that assistant. We're also adding more capabilities going forward, like being able to run reports on behalf of your executive. One exciting thing is that from a capability standpoint, this is an infrastructure we'll be able to cross-apply as we build out agent capabilities that their human delegates will be able to set. So this is something we're showing today in Assistants. It's going to be available for agents as well, coming soon. So as you can see here, I can check and uncheck the capabilities that I want. In this case, I'll uncheck travel, click Save Changes. And I'm going to go ahead onto Angela's profile to show you what this looks like. She can go ahead and click on that, and that will automatically lead to this view where she can see Meredith's tasks, including her need to upload receipts, add memos, etc. A couple of new features that we added here. Back in the fall, we added card, and then we also added visibility into the funds. Most recently, we added intake, so the ability for Angela to request funds on behalf of Meredith. So you can see here, Angela can go ahead, and this is just the same intake flow, and request additional funds. So I'm going to go ahead and say these are for travel for $1,000. And you can see here that the requested funds are now appearing, and they're appearing here as well.